very interesting because this is a backpack that I think you guys would think is pretty cool.
The revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube fam? Zxpredator here, and this is kind of like the first time y'all kind of see me from camera live since the surgery and stuff. Kind of got a little heavy, put on some weight, but it's all good. I'll be back in the gym, getting ready on. But I have to do an awesome unboxing for you guys, and I had to get in front of the camera for this one. Ooh, still a little rough, but shout out to my folks on my Discord, you know, Baraklaus, freaking Snake, you know, rest of the crew. Make sure you join the Discord. We have a good time on there, talking bikes and different things, life, so on and so forth. Very encouraging to one another. So I'll have a link in the description and in the title. Join us. It's fun, and you'll get early access. And you know, I'll let you know that I'm working on stuff. But pretty cool. This unboxing. So the company, if I remember correctly, is Crelander. I know I messed up Reza when I first partnered up with them, but I saw this on Instagram, and I had to add this to the repertoire. So check this out. All right. So this is a backpack that actually has, you know, freaking graphics in there. You know, in the same vein as Mr. Light Mode. It also has, what is it? Yeah, Crelander. All right. There's a guy on Instagram. You gotta check him out. I'll probably put the link in the description as well. He's from France, you know, and he does some really cool stuff. Like I said, I saw it through a reel, and I said I have to have it. And you know me, I'm like a big nerd with this stuff, but it kind of goes with my theme. All right, so let's get this sucker open. I'm liking the box, you know, looks pretty cool. All right, so let's get into this thing. Now, my fear, I took a risk with Reza and it paid off, right? So, taking a risk here. Let's see how this goes. Right? I'm really liking the box, but so far, I'm gonna get in here. Look. This is looking kind of sexy, folks. It's light too, so I've always wanted a bike bag, you know, but let's see what we get out of this. Hopefully the camera angle. Ooh, all right. Oh man, this is sick. You see, so there's some armor that I'm pretty sure that this, yeah, my AGV or the EVS armor will definitely go well with this. You know what? A two-part video. Just like I did the unboxing for the Senna, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 for this. But look at that! Like, if you kind of see the texturing with it, you have to see it in person. This is sick. Very, very, very sick. I wish it was big enough to house my my drone, but it's not. So let's take a look. Oh, I like this. I like it. I think I'm a big boy now, though. Let's see. Oh, okay. Can I adjust this thing? I like it. I like it. So let's see. Look. So once I suit up again, I think this is gonna be cool. Now I gotta figure out how this thing gets power. But yes, so Crelander. Alright, make sure you check them out. Alright, as you can see inside, it looks like It feels like a turtle shell, and there's a pocket right here too. So let's see if you can see that. Alright. Yeah, look, that's freaking wicked, man. I like it. I like it. Alright. So there's some texture to it. But this is what it was all about, you know. So it literally Predator, aka the Night Rider. Looks like it comes with some accessories too. So, let's take a look. Alright, so I'm opening this up so you guys and gals can check it out with me. Alright, so the compartment on the inside. Oh, you got QR codes. Zoom in so you can kind of QR this yourself. Alright. Oh, that's cute. They sent some Christmas stuff. Happy holidays. I guess for the weight and everything. So, yeah, more Christmas items. Alright. Like I said, I gained a little bit of weight because of recovering from surgery. But you got the manual. I will go ahead and do like an in-depth video at a later date and time. So I guess here's the wire for the USB to charge everything. So this is the other side of the shell. Alright. This is clever, to be honest with you. I'm surprised others haven't thought of this. And it's very kind of, it's very streamlined. It's not gaudy or bulky. Very legit streamlined. And I'm pretty sure there's the compartment where the electronics are down here. Yeah. Alright, so I know I'm not going to be messing with that. Maybe there's something that you could change out, but yeah, so this is where you're going to charge it. I guess they didn't send, I guess, the charging brick for it. Or you have to produce it on your own, but yeah, some more QR codes for you. Actually, I'm going to start doing that for the channel, you know, so this is cool. Just checking out. There's a section for laptops and everything. This is, look, the MSRP on this was like $150, and shipping it came out to $160 something. So not too bad for the price, you know. And it looks like it's designed for aerodynamics. You got the teardrop look to the bottom. So hey, look, this looks pretty cool. This is so me right here, you know. So make sure you check them out. I have the link. It took a while to get here because you know, coming from overseas and everything, you know, things are a little slower. But they gave me the complimentary Crelander bag. But it sucks that I got it now at a time that there's, you know, we're not really riding. But check out my new bag. Looks cool. Wait till I fire this thing up. So I'm gonna charge it. We'll see how it goes. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe to Zxpredator. Another unboxing. We'll see you later. Peace. That was the end of the video, but I lied. I had to show you this. So let's see. I'm gonna look at the instructions. So it looks like this thing. Okay, so it can be powered with an auxiliary battery, or you could plug it up. So I do have a wire to the bike, but I'm gonna have to get my own power bank, and that's okay. That's okay. So that's cool because you could throw it in there and let it do its thing. Let's see, going a little further. I'm pretty sure, yep, figured that would be the app to download, and then I can control it from there. Now that'll be a separate video because I'm gonna need the phone. But yeah, the glare is kind of getting us here. So let's see, scan QR code to download. Alright, I gotta try this out. This looks very promising. Alright, but yeah, so that's looks like the app and everything. Oh, different methods and such. App function. Alright, so that's gonna be, like I said, on another video. But I'm gonna have to go ahead and make another investment and get a power bank just for this. Alright, so we're gonna plug this in. I powered up my little switch here. Alright, so here we go. Woohoo! Look at that. Shut up! No way! No freaking way. It kind of reminds me of a Psych bike or so. But I know the app will let me do some things with it. Oh man. Shout out to my boy Mikey B. I know if him and the scooters and all of that, man, this would be it. But that's fire. Look at that. Like right off the bat. Right off the bat. So some tips. Get a power bank if you're not gonna plug it to the bike directly, and you're off and running. That is amazing. That is amazing. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna see if I can upload some stuff. I want to do like the demon eyes, or probably put predator eyes in the back. Somebody kept watching my 6, but look at that. No freaking way. No freaking way. I'm such a big kid. What? All right. Hey, there you have it, folks. I lied. I wasn't there. Okay, this is part 2 of the video. Ace wants to be up in here messing things up. Back up. All right. This guy, he just wants attention. But being that I needed the phone, I switched to my GoPro, and I had my battery, or external battery. Does that look familiar? Shout out to Al Reyes and photography. He was the one that made me look like a superstar. I'll be linking up with him sometime in 2023, hopefully. But that's the plug. All right, so I had to do the QR code. I went ahead and got the app, and you have to Bluetooth connect it. Okay, so I got everything fired up. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on. Boom. Alright, and you can actually cycle through everything. Man, this is sick. This is sick. Well done. Well done. I don't know if I'm rolling with these eyes. You know, I was actually thinking of more going with the red. That is wicked, man. I don't know how or what kind of conceptualized that, but yeah, I had to get through some of the Chinese text on the app, but you can see everything, man. This is amazing, simply amazing. So I might go with this too, but that's for G-Fly, you know, the Deadpool eye look. But this is fantastic, and you can even do it yourself, and you can control the brightness if you want to save the battery a little bit with the slider. But either go hard or go home. So it really works. I can put that in here, and I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. Just swapping everything out. Man, I'm blown away. My thing is, like I said, I'm a big kid. I like this kind of stuff, you know. But yeah, you can get the app and handle your business from there. So I don't know. It would be cool to see more items like this, considering at night, you know, folks can see you. You know what I mean? So this is more for like bike nights, or if you're riding in traffic in the evening and you just need folks to see you. But if you're doing some bad stuff and got the popo on you, that's I don't know what to tell you. They're gonna be like, hey, go after the person with the crazy eyes. So well done. Yeah, I might go ahead and just stick it all in one video. We'll see. You know, I haven't provided consistent content for you guys in a while, so I owe you that. But Snake, Discord, you guys got to check this out. This is wild. You pull out somewhere with one of these, and it's inexpensive. You just get yourself a battery bank, get the app, $160. Can't go wrong with it. So rate, comment, and subscribe. And shout out to Crelander for making such a cool product, one of a kind. That I've seen, you know. But maybe I'll do an in-depth product review during the season, since this weekend, before Christmas is going to get really cold, nasty cold snap. So make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. The man, the myth, the Zxpredator, Alex Lexus. I'm Adi. We'll catch y'all later. Peace.